this year I'm gonna do so well. I'm gonna go to the treadmill desks, I'm gonna study hard and lose a ton of weight and be like super healthy. And they're like, Ohio State doesn't have any treadmill desks. And they don't have any like bike desks, they don't have standing desks, and I was very surprised.
We were delighted to get the suggestion for putting in some different kinds of study desks in the libraries.
I ended up sending an email to the library administrators and was like, hey, is this something we can do? They're not super expensive. I think they'd be a really good influence on kind of, I guess, the student life, the faculty life, and then...
We think it's a great idea. So here we are. We have a couple of standing desks, the bike desk, the treadmill.
So I find that if I'm sitting for a long time studying, doing homework or whatever, working, it really helps me to get up, do like a 20-minute, 30-minute walk on this thing, sit back down and study some more, or even just study for hours with this thing, because number one, it helps me focus, and number two, I feel like it allows me to relax a little bit. It's not like I'm cooped up studying all day long. It feels very refreshing to get up and walk, even though I'm doing something very productive.
Brutus Buckeye was just over here and he looked pretty excited about using the desks. So, you know, today is day 2 and I haven't heard directly back, but I've seen them in use on 2 different occasions as I've walked through the building.
It was something they hadn't considered before, and they thought it really matched up with the school's goals, the kind of the wellness goals. I would love to see this in every library for easy access. I think it would just be really great for school in general.
We'll pilot it for you know, a semester or 2, see what usage looks like. We'll keep track of that, get some feedback from students, and determine whether it's something we want to expand, keep, relocate to another part of the building or a different part of campus. But we're pretty excited.